How to blur parts of video on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now, in order to blur the parts of video on Android, you generally have to use a third-party app. So for that, you can just launch the Play Store application on your device and search for any video editing app. So here I have searched for InShot, which is the app I generally use. So let's just install it, and if you have already installed it, make sure you have an updated version. So let's tap on open over here, and here I've already selected a picture or the video over here. Now if you want to blur the parts of a video, simply what you need to do is take the video to the part where you want to blur. Then simply tap on the sticker icon over here, then tap on the detail option. So here you can see the blur option. So you can just tap on blur, you can select the area of what you'd want to blur it, and then tap on the check mark, and you can just elongate the timing over here, timeline for the blurring, or you can just shorten the timeline for the blur part of the video, and then just tap on the check mark and you'll be done. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.